riders, Josh from CycleHunters.com. Today we have something a little different for you. Now this is CFMoto's i20 inverter generator. It puts out 2,000 peak wattage and 1,800 of quiet current. So basically you run this, it's got 58 decibels, 120 volt, 20 amp plug, it's got USB. I mean, for something that you're looking for to run things if you need it, camping wise in the house during a storm, you know, you just put your gas in there, and it is an electric start as well. I think it also, yeah, it has the pull start on here too. So this thing is going to help you if you need to run your appliances, or if you're camping, any of that stuff. You guys know what generators do. So without further ado, let's put this thing and start it up. Here we go.
It is not electric start.
Oh, it's not electric start.
Not electric start. Old-fashioned pull handle.
All pull start. Okay.
But it pulls pretty easy.
Wow.
Got quiet mode off. That's when you're running your stuff, but running smaller loads.
So eco mode on and then the eco mode off. It's just the gas saver mode, but I guess in eco mode you're getting the
this would be like charging your little odds and ends.
yeah, little charging
Running light
things.
stuff like phone chargers, stuff like that.
Cool. All right. Well,
Cigarette lighters, whatever you have, really. 12 volt.
well, there you have it. CFMoto's i20 inverter generator, capable of putting out 2,000 peak wattage, 1,800, which is the quiet running, probably the eco mode. Give us a call, 717-273-1809. You can see our full list of our inventory at CycleHunters.com. Check us out. Leave some comments, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. It's a great gift idea for somebody too, especially for that camper or hunter in your family. So, we'll see you soon, everybody. Take care. Happy riding.
When we service your bike, we hand you a key, not a need to have a toolbox.